Hi, everyone. Welcome to my course, Blender 3D for Newcomers, using Cycles Render Engine. Blender 3D is world's best open source 3D modeling and animation software, used by millions of 3D artists and game programmers. 3D modeling is very interesting. Through this course you will start 3D modeling and animation journey. It was not easy to get started with Blender 3D. This course is designed for newcomers, who do not know about 3D modeling and animation. My name is Zaksum Abbas. I am a 3D artist, web developer. I have taught 3D modeling and animation more than 5 years. I shall go through Blender 3D software in a best way. You will learn everything from scratch. We shall discuss modeling, texturing, animation, lighting, different simulations, rendering techniques, architectural mesh, video editing using Cycles Render Engine. If you are a creator and want to enter in 3D modeling, animation and gaming industry, or you want to become an architect or video editor, this course is first step toward them. You can take this course without any hesitation. If you want to join this course, so like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon to receive my upcoming relevant videos as soon as possible, and become professional 3D artist. After completing this course, you may enter in 3D modeling and animation industry, with confidence. You will learn everything, which are you watching in this demo. No step is missing. You can share this video with others. Thank you for joining me.